y'all, good afternoon. It's Angela. I just wanted to show you some jewelry I made with the liquid diamond coating, casting resin. Liquid diamond, very nice and clear. I love, oh my god, it's almost finished. Anyway, just wanted to tell you that it is beautiful for jewelry. I made these necklaces all with leftover resin and with some alcohol ink. So it turned out so beautiful that I'm gonna make maybe a few more today. However, I just want to show you all the pendants I've been making. I have a whole bunch because I have a guy down the block that he sells some for me, you know, in his jewelry shop. And it's very nice that he able to help me that way. Very nice guy. Yeah, so he sold a lot. And I'm trying to sell more, of course. So I'm just stirring some more of the liquid diamond. It's very clear. See, I've been stirring it for about 3 minutes already. And yes, I'm putting on my gloves soon. I just wanted to show you. And I do have my mask here on my neck. It's gonna go up as soon as I start using that. And I just wanted to show you some of my jewelry that I made, wow, a long time ago. Look at this. Isn't that cute? Very pretty. I love it. Yeah. I love this one with all the cells in it. Look how pretty is that? Yeah, you see the cells in it? Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, this one is a really pretty one. And yeah, I have like a whole box of them. A whole box here that I have for sale. I mean, just to have it and to have it on the side. This also. How pretty is that? These are all so pretty, and it's different colors of arts that I've done, you know, and I really do love it. Let me see. I want to see over here. I got some more. Look how pretty that black one is, like a dome. It's so pretty. I love that one. I love this one. There's another color I did once. It's so pretty. I'm trying to see. I have so many of them. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I have a whole bunch of them. They all sitting here. You see, I got bigger ones and smaller ones, and you can see all the little cells in there. I have them on here, and then I have more over here. This goes on top of this case here that I have. And look at this green one. How pretty is that green? I love the green. It's so gorgeous. I like the purple. Such a very beautiful purple. Look at this. I love this one. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Maybe if I turn down this light, this is taken away from the, it is taken away from the jewelry. So, yeah. And I have a nice brown one here. It's like brown and beige. Got another black one here. Look at this one. How gorgeous is that? That is pretty. I have this one. Just a bunch, and they're all just sitting here, ready for sale. Also, so this is a good box for you guys to get. You see, it has the upstairs and it has a downstairs. You put your compartment, compartmentalize, or put all your stuff separately. Now, these are the ones that I did yesterday with the leftover of my resin pour. Look at the back. That is gorgeous. And look at the front. This was alcohol ink on this side with some of the same resin. Okay, so that is beautiful. And I love this one. It goes with this one like a heart shape. You see? It's a heart shape. Look at it. Look at that, like a broken heart. Yeah. And then if you want to, you could wear it the other way around. And that's the resin I poured yesterday. You see? That's the same color of the resin I poured yesterday. All of them have the back, you see? And this one, wow, with the little cells in there. Look at that. Little tiny cells in there. And yeah, look at that. Pretty. How gorgeous is that? On this one, tiny, tiny little necklace. It's got a cute little few cells in there. That is so cute. And look at the back of this one. That's some of the pour from yesterday. This is alcohol on the other side. So you can wear it either way you want. If you want to wear it to the front, you want to wear it to the back. This one, I love it. It's like a little see-through on the top. You see? This one is really... I may take this one for me. I love this one. Look at this. Look at the back. That's the resin I used yesterday. Now, these two I made out of alcohol ink. And this one, you could clearly see right through it. You see how clear that resin is? Very clear. You can see right through this. It's adorable. I love it. I love this resin. It's a good resin. Yeah. Good. And I put little glitters in there, so that makes it look even prettier. Yeah, I like that one. There's another one, a little bit of glitter in there. And you can see right through with the alcohol ink I put on it. This one has a fancy necklace. Yeah. I love it. This one in the back is all alcohol, but you can see right through there. You see? You can see right through. It's gorgeous. I love the clarity of the liquid diamond. So that's a winner for me, I would say. And I'm going to put this aside because I'm going to do a quick pour of one little geo here. You see this tiny little geo? And I see one of my hair in here already. You see? I never find the cat's hair. I find my hair. It's funny. You would think the cat's hair would be here because he's a lot of times behind me, but right now he's upstairs. I'll leave him alone. Let him sleep. He's sleeping in his little house. So, yeah. I'm gonna do a quick little geo with you guys. Being that I have you here, why not? 7 minutes is still time. So I'm just gonna pour it in there, the liquid diamond. It's already been stirred. And I'm gonna go upstairs and go get the torch because I don't have it here with me. And yeah, and I'm gonna put some colors in a few minutes. I got my Panada gold. I got my Panada white. And those I scoop out with these. These are good to use. All right, just to throw it in. And let me get the torch. I don't see any bubbles, but just a force of habit with me. Yeah, you don't get any bubbles with the with this resin, I notice. For your coasters, you really should be using like a blowtorch, not your blowgun, not the torch. If you use the torch, don't put it on high. You don't need it on high. Not for these little ones anyway, because you don't want to burn anything out. Now, I'm gonna do a few of these colors with that. Let me just make sure I hear the bally. That's when you know it's shake well. You see? When you hear the little bally. All right. Let's put some little dots in there. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Leave it up to me. I'll leave it just like that. That looks gorgeous just like that. Let it dry. and you see the clear around it, that would be really good. This is turquoise, and that color was by the various people, and that one was pink, magenta I mean. This one is turquoise. See how beautiful that is? Isn't it gorgeous how that happens, guys? Let me bring you a little bit closer there. I love how that happens. Okay, now let's pull this out of the way. And this is like a yellow, it's supposed to be a yellow, but it looks more like a brown color. Isn't that pretty? Look at that, the way it does all that. And my blue is disappearing, so I'm gonna put more blue in there. I mean more turquoise, because I really like the turquoise more than any color here. Yeah, so you could do that. You usually should be pouring it like really fast, not like me. I'm taking too long. Yeah, you should be faster. And the white, one drop there, one drop, two drop, one drop. I could imagine what this is gonna look like when it's all dried up. It's gonna be so pretty. Yeah, the gold, it kind of sinks to the bottom, but let's see where the gold goes now, you know, just to see. Look at that, 2 drops fell in there and I didn't even put it in there. Yeah, look at that gold. How pretty is that gold? Okay, the gold stayed to the top. I'm surprised. Usually it goes down to the bottom. I'm surprised at that. Gold staying on the top. Since I wanted more blue, I mean more turquoise, I'm just gonna hit it up with a bit more turquoise. And then I'm gonna leave it alone, let it dry here. And I have a cardboard that I do put over my art, because people think I don't, but I do. As I showed you before, I have my carts that are all plastic all around. So I do very much cover my art very nicely. And people just like to talk, so let them talk. Let them talk. Yeah. The right or to the left, but it's okay. If it mixes a little with the others, it's fine. And I just messed up this one because I let some of the pink go in there. But yeah, I'll put a little bit more resin in this one. So let's wait for tomorrow for these to dry. I'm gonna take the rest of the resin and I am going to put it in here. I have a little, what you call this? A little parchment, I guess. It's a tiny parchment. You could put stuff in it. It's just a little bit. And I'm kind of doing a few things at once, so that's nice, right? You guys get to see a few things at once. Let's move this up here. I gotta get 3 boxes. I got 3 boxes. I got more than that. I think I got 5 boxes in the garage I could use for that. I got this one here. There's some of that pink in there. You see what's going on with this one? Oh my God, this is so pretty. Ugh. Let's turn on the light a little bit more. Put that away, and this is blue. Let's put some blue in there, the blue. The blue is so pretty. Let's use use some pinata, some more white in there. I'm doing this little, you see it? I'm gonna put some white in it and see what happens with this. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Look at that white, it's like magic. That white is like magic. It works like magic. So now I could put more colors in there. Let's see what other color. Let's try a gray color, which is a color I very rarely use, a gray color. Where's the gray? I'm looking for the gray, and I can't find the gray. I really like the gray sometimes in certain paintings. And I can't find it. Just when I need it, I can't find it. So much for the gray. Yeah, I don't find my gray. I'll put a little bit of this one. A little dot. What color is that? That's a gray. I'm gonna let it dry with some glitter on the top would be nice. Put some glitter on the top of it would be nice. Make it nice and shiny. Yeah. The glitter is what makes it sparkle. Yeah. Let's put some glitter in there. It's like a layer of glitter. Oh my God, this is gonna be so funny. Wait till it dries. I want to see how it dries, how it comes up once it dries. Oof. Let's see. Yeah, it's a pretty color. Look at that, gray and blue together. Once we take it out of the mold, we'll see how it comes out with the glitter on top. I'm just experimenting with this one because, yeah, just feel like playing with it. Maybe a little glitter on this one, on this one. Let's put it with the side that doesn't sprinkle a lot. This side that doesn't sprinkle a whole lot. Little lines of glitter. Isn't that pretty? Put little lines of glitter in this one too. So much for the go. There go the glitter. Glitter Angie. Yeah. So that's it for this. This experimenting is gonna work out. We'll see when I have my new jewelry tomorrow. And this pyramid, we'll see what it turns out to be. Yeah, look at the top. This is the jewelry I was showing you. You see how pretty they are with the necklace on it. I love them. They turn out so beautiful. And this is the first one I did. Look at that. It's just drying there. I did this one. And this is the last one I just did. Yeah, I don't like the way the pinata gold just stays there. Like, look at this, like a patch. So let me just push that one around a little. And that's it. That was all with Liquid Diamond. Try it, guys. It's really nice and clear. Love ya.